Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a game stuck in updating, validating or patching loop on Steam. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, stop the validation here. Then you need to go to a search file explorer. Then on this new window here, you need to look for this PC. Go to disk C. Usually Steam is on disk C. Then you need to go to program files x86. Then you need to go to Steam. Then look for logs folder, and then on logs folder press on the view icon here and then press show. Make sure file name extensions is enabled. Then on search logs you just need to write content underscore log.txt. Then click on this thing here, then press control plus F to open up this window, search window here, and write failed. And then you need to look for failed tasks. As you can see here, there is a lot of failed things here, but you need to look failed with a directory, right? So let me pause the video, and I found the exact thing that you need to look for. So I just found, as you can see here, it says failed updating dpot while reading chunk, the number here, and the file directory, as you can see here. So for me, the error is this file here, emd ags64.dll in GTA 5 enhanced. So what you need to do here, you need to go to exact directory here. So just you can copy the directory like this. Then you just need to open up again File Explorer, and then you just need to paste. And then the file was emd, I believe. Yeah, emd ags x64. So what you need to do here is to just delete that particular file and then start validating, and the issue should be solved. So that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.